So we're off tonight to the Heli lounge. We're going to sit and watch the sunset. Dan's going to introduce the video.
To a bar on top of a roof.
It's not on top of a roof, it's a helicopter lounge, a helicopter pad.
It's on top of a roof though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm right, aren't I?
Yeah.
We're off to sit on a helipad on the top of a very tall building to have a beveragino.
And watch the sunset.
Yes.
I'm not sure if helicopters actually land there. Surely not, because it's a bar.
Well, obviously not.
Maybe they used to back in the day.
Probably.
Right, I'll have to Google that. We need to get a grab. Grab is how you get away. Grab is how you get around in most of Asia, to be honest. It's basically Uber. It's so cheap. We went about 15-minute drive earlier. It was like £1.50.
It's very cheap to get grabs.
So we're going to get grab. So this is Grab. Can you see it? Basically Uber, but in Asia. So I'm going to type in Heli Lounge Bar. It's 0.79 kilometres away. We're staying next door to the W, which is like a really posh hotel. You've probably heard of it. It's like they're all over the world. And we're literally staying right next door. And it's called Tropicana, the residences. Really, really nice. I'll give you a little tour. We keep putting on the Grab to take us to the W because everyone knows where that is. And we keep getting out and they think that we're staying there, which we're definitely not. W, Kuala Lumpur to Heli Lounge, and that's coming up as 17 RM. RM is the currency here in Malaysia. £2.83. £2.83, Dan, to go like 50 minutes. Oh, there's already one on. There's one 3 minutes. Right, we've got to go. Quick, 3 minutes. Dan is already on his way. We're not sure if we're in the right place. It says helipad, I think. Heli, yeah, this is it. So it costs 100 each to get in, 100 RM. I still don't know what that stands for, but it's the currency anyway. It's about £16 in England. You get 2 drinks, soft drinks or whatever you want. There's all different ones on this list that you can have. And we've got to walk up a lot of stairs to get there. There's like a club sort of bit downstairs, and then the bit we want is up here. Oh yeah, it's looking quite high up. We just came to the mall, which is inside the towers, the Petronas towers. Most beautiful building I've ever seen, by the way. Dan, is it your favourite building?
I think it is, yeah.
Dan was like, oh, I have been to Paris and the Eiffel Tower, but he was like, I think
this is cool.
It's amazing. Like, it's got a mall inside. This is one of the towers. This is a mall inside one of the towers. There's like all these shops, Prada, Christian Dior.
It's got every single designer.
Every designer. We're not going to any of them because we're broke. But, oh my god, they've got Mac. They've got Mac. I haven't seen Mac in months.
Particularly Hublot.
Petite what?
Don't worry.
All in here. Louis Vuitton behind me, I think. No, Fendi's behind me, actually. So funny, we saw some Fendi sunglasses in Koh Samui. Koh Samui have got really bad fakes. This is in Thailand. They didn't even try to say Fendi on the sunglasses. It said Bendy. But anyway, we're inside one of the towers. This is what, you can see the tower, look. So cool. I didn't even realise there was a shopping centre inside it.
Oh, no.
There's people with phones, but they're on tripods with like lights on them. And basically they charge you to take a photo, but it's like a really famous picture that everyone gets in front of the towers. I'll insert ours now. This is the photo we took. It's chaos around here. There's so many people trying to get you to take pictures. We just paid 25 for one picture, and then we walked 2 minutes down the road, well, where the fountains are, and it's 10. We feel like idiots now, but we're taking more because we want more. Why not? Dan's getting his photos now, look.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, and 3. No. Down. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool, Dan.
Yeah.
Oh, high five.
The needle.
Very nice.
Get that one?
That one's good.
One. And then...
I'm not sure what that one is much. What do you think?
This is very nice.
I can't post 2 pictures in the same spot,
I think the kneeling down
that
one.
one.
Yeah, not that one. That
and
one.
That
yeah.
one we have, that's 2. And then that one.
Oh, that one or this? Would you like this one?
Whatever one you want.
Okay, come to this food court in, well, it's not really a food court, it's like a food supermarket. Definitely for locals, in the Petronas Towers. And Dan's getting some cheesecake.
Yep, got some cheesecake.
Oreo and, what'd you get? Oreo and Biscoff. Look at all these cheesecake. Thank you. Bye. And there's some sushi, which I really love sushi, but I don't know what any of it is. It's all like proper sushi. It's not like Western type sushi. It's like the kind of sushi I've never seen in my life. Like, I don't know what any of this is. Yeah, I've never seen any of that in my life, and there's no description, so I don't know what it is. Flat tour, apartment tour, Kuala Lumpur. It's very fancy, it's very bougie. Show you around. Fully working kitchen. We've even got washing machines. We've been doing our own washing. Oh, you want a pizza, Dan? Yeah. Pizza. How does this work? This is the like open plan living room area. There's a Dan. Hi, Dan. A flat screen TV that's got Netflix on it, which is very handy. Watching a film last night. And then into the bedroom. Bedroom's a bit of a mess. Dan's mess and my mess over there. The Petronas Towers are literally next door to us, but you can't see them. I'm not sure what side they're on. Do you know what side they're on, Dan? I think they're on the other side, aren't they, the towers? Yeah, the other side. The apartment was only like £20 each per night, which isn't that bad at all. This is our view of the Kuala Lumpur skyline. At night time, that's all lit up, so it looks really nice. And obviously a toilet, but you don't really need to see that, it's just a toilet. Yeah, that's basically the apartment. Oh, I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven, that was it. Now, we're gonna have some lunch, and hopefully...
Oh, that pizza's just for me, yeah?
No, the pizza's for me and you.
Nice, yeah, that's funny.
What do you mean you're not sharing it? What am I gonna eat? I haven't got anything else. Cheeky sod. So hopefully I don't burn the apartment down. It's the next day and we were supposed to wake up this morning at about 7 AM and go to the Batu Caves, but we didn't. We stayed in bed till like 11 o'clock, which we haven't done in a long time, have we?
A week.
No, longer than a week. Hoping to get up tomorrow early and go then. Although we have a flight to Thailand tomorrow afternoon, so it's going to be a bit of a rush. But right now, we're heading to a free walking tour. So wherever you go, like any place that you visit, if you Google free walking tours, you can find like walking tours everywhere. But you just pay like a donation, like whatever you think it was worth. That's how they make money, so you need to give them something. And then tonight, we're going to head to Jalan Alor food market. It's a massive food market where everyone gets like cheap food. We're just waiting for our grab. Oh, he's stuck in traffic. He's on his way. The tallest building in Malaysia is this one right here.
What have I learned about how the British colonised here and how Japan took over in 1941 and how they were kicked out in 1945. Learned a lot about durians today.
Durians, yeah, apparently there's 100 types of durian. For anyone who doesn't know what on earth a durian is, this is a durian.
It's quite a large fruit and it's got a spiky outside and it stinks. Like, you're not allowed to bring them on subways.
Yeah.
We haven't tried it, have we?
No, we haven't tried a durian.
Risked it.
Signs on the tube or train, whatever, and it says no durians allowed. Our apartment, and like one of the rules, it was in big red letters, said no parties, no loud events, no durians. One of the fellow tour attendees said to try it because he loves durians. But yeah, we're gonna head to another part now. This looks like the National Mosque of Malaysia. That's what the sign says. We just stopped off to get some snacks or drinks. I've got this truck here. Got a mango juice, very tasty. Mango juice, this is a mango juice, yes. Very nice. Next to the National Mosque, you can see the truck now that I've walked away. There's only 3 divided by 6, what's like 50p, I think? My maths isn't brilliant, I think that's 50p. So the building that I was showing you with the big spike, this one, that building is still under construction, which we didn't realise. Apparently it's going to be finished in August 2023. They hope that's the plan, and there's going to be more height added to it, but when it's finished, it's going to be the 2nd tallest building in the world. The 1st tallest building is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Really cool actually being here before it's completed, the 2nd tallest building in the world. There is a photo, a famous photo of the first Prime Minister. He's basically holding up his arm like this. And he's basically declaring freedom for Malaysia. and that's what apparently the tallest building is representing. So the thick part of the building, the main part, is meant to be representing his body, and then the thin sticky up bit is meant to represent his arm going up and saying freedom. The reason why he was like declaring freedom is because in August 1957 there's a flagpole over there, pulled down the Union Jack flag, and then they raised up the Malaysian flags when the Malaysians had got their independence back. We're now at Jalan Alor food street market. We're gonna get some food because we're starving after that tour. Very busy. So busy that you can't even see what the stalls are selling because there's just too many people around them. It's raining, but we're sheltered. Black pepper sizzling beef. We've got some rice. We've got, oh wow, the rain's coming in now. I don't know how we're going to get out of here with this. Well, luckily we've got an umbrella. We just bought one. 10 ringgit, which is about £1. £1.50 maybe? The thing is, we don't know if this place takes card, and we've only got like limited cash. So if it only takes cash, then we have to go out to an ATM in this, get cash, come back. We got up really early. We're heading to the Batu Caves. Taxi driver's already outside, and we're rushing downstairs late. We've arrived at the Batu Caves. That's the massive Hindu statue. Is it the God of War? No, it's not God of War. That doesn't sound right. I'm not sure, I'll have to check. Apparently there's like 260 or so stairs. We've got to climb to get into the caves. There's a few bats flying around as well, so if you're scared of bats... Is that a bat or is that... Oh no, that was a bird, that wasn't a bat. Wait, maybe they're all birds. I've come to Petaling market, which is like where all the fake designers are, loads of like sunglasses. You can basically buy all sorts, so we're going to have a look around and see what bargains we can get. Petaling market just now. There was loads of clothes, but it was mainly for men, so I couldn't really find anything, and Dan didn't really know what he wanted. It's like the odd thing, like elephant trousers and stuff like that, but I don't really want any elephant trousers. And I walked to a different market called Central Market. I think we've gone the wrong way. 4-minute walk from Petaling market. Bought some long trousers because I need some. I haven't got any long trousers. Every time I go to a temple I have to borrow a sarong, so now I don't have to do that. So I picked up the black, they're like linen flared trousers, black ones and nude ones, and it cost me £5 English per pair, so that's not too bad, is it? And a cheeky banana shake. Dragon fruit juice, Dan's getting, I think. It costs about 7 or 8, so it's about just over £1 for a juice, for a fresh juice. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm sure it will. Dan doesn't like his because he asked for no sugar in it, and he's wondering why it tastes of nothing. It tastes horrible.
It's alright.
Mine tastes tasty because it's got sugar in it. Just picked up some shoes, some like gold sandals for £6, which I'm quite happy with. Yeah, oh, girls' clothes. Hello. We've actually found some girls' clothes in Petaling Street and makeup. I must have missed this shop in the background there. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that. So many nice things in here. So I bought this bracelet, really glittery. That cost about £5, that bracelet.
of that vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. More adventures to come. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!